Hey beauties, welcome back if you are returning, and welcome if you are new. Please subscribe. I would love to have you here. So today I got some new hair from Janet Collection. These are their 2x Curl Babe 4A hair in 10-inch, and I got the color OET 1B Berg, and they sent me over 6 packs of hair. And this hair is perfect for if you wanted to do some spring twists, butterfly locks, or you can do just a natural afro look. I'm going to go for an afro look today with some cornrows on one side. Here's the hair off the pack. It reminds me of spring twist hair. Here's the loop. It does have a rubber band on it. If you decide to do the knotless crochet method, all you have to do is just pull the hair and you'll be able to pop the rubber band off, and you'll be able to separate the hair and you'll be able to achieve that knotless crochet look. And they also sent me over this shower cap, and you have the option to keep it long or you can make it shorter, and it do come with the a little button on it to where you can fasten it, and that will make it shorter. So over here on this side, I'm going to do 8 cornrows, and for the first 2 cornrows, I'm going to do those going towards my face. Starting from this point right here, I'm just going to cornrow my natural hair going straight back, and I'm also going to do some cornrows in the back. So once you cornrow all your hair, this is how it will look. I just combined all the cornrows in the front with the cornrows in the back, and I also did it with the synthetic hair too. And once I got in the front, I spaced the crochet hair out 1 finger width apart. And for the first cornrow, I skipped that one because I didn't want to have too much hair over by my ear. here's how the style turned out. I ended up using 3.5 packs of hair. It also comes in different colors. I will link this hair down below if you want to check it out. Thank you again to Janet Collection for sending me this hair, and thank you all for watching. And always remember, you are wonderful, you're amazing, and you are beautiful. Until next time, peace, love, and unity. Peace.